Section elevators at the Pfister Hotel, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. It's another Otis, and let's see, they're probably gonna. Okay. Well, we can go to 7 at least. Very old Otis, 1893. And they play. Okay, I guess not. It's still lit. And that fan's pretty noisy. Tower elevators over there. We're gonna do this later. That's the entrance, so. It might not function anymore. Let's go up to the newer tower, I think. Are they even, is this one even working? Oh, I heard that one chime down. Oh, here it is. They do function. So let's see, A is locked, of course. Let's go back to the lobby. This is a door home button. Very large elevator for a building this old. Probably the oldest elevator I've been on, unless it's a Cincinnati hotel. All these are a Cincinnati hotel. Let's call them relaxing music. Yeah, so there's an event on the 7th floor. Yeah, that's it.